Traditional medicine or holistic health? Do you have to choose one? Spoiler alert. Nope, it's not a boxing match. It's more like two teammates working toward the same goal: your health. Think of traditional medicine as your emergency parachute, always there when you need it most. Holistic health? That's your pre-flight checklist ensuring your plane stays in the air. Today, we're comparing these two approaches and revealing how they can complement each other perfectly. Traditional medicine. The first responder. Traditional medicine is the superhero you call when life throws you a curveball. Focused and precise. Got an infection? Antibiotics are your best friend. Broke your arm? Time for x-rays and a cast. Backed by science. Decades of research, innovation, and life-saving treatments. This is where traditional medicine shines. Critical for emergencies, heart attacks, surgeries, and chronic conditions, traditional medicine is non-negotiable. Let's be clear. Traditional medicine isn't just important, it's irreplaceable. Holistic health? The long-term strategist. Now, holistic health isn't here to replace traditional medicine. It's here to fill in the gaps. Whole body care. Think of your health as a puzzle. Holistic health ensures no piece is missing. Mind, body, and spirit are all connected. Prevention focused. Instead of waiting for the engine light to come on, it's like regular oil changes to keep everything running smoothly. Lifestyle upgrades? Clean eating, regular exercise, mindfulness, holistic health helps build a strong foundation. It's like adding years to your life and life to your years. Breaking down the differences. Here's how the two approaches compare. Focus. Traditional medicine tackles specific issues, while holistic health zooms out for the bigger picture. Timeline. Traditional medicine works fast, like pain relief. Holistic health is the slow burn, like strengthening your overall well-being. Goal. Both want you healthy. One addresses symptoms, the other tackles root causes. Different tools for different jobs. You wouldn't use a wrench to bake cookies, right? The power of working together. Here's where it gets exciting. They're not rivals, they're partners. Example 1. Treating diabetes? Insulin. Traditional. Plus diet changes and stress management. Holistic. Example 2. Battling chronic pain? Physical therapy? Traditional. Plus acupuncture? Or yoga? Holistic. Example 3. Recovering from surgery? Medication traditional, plus meditation for mental recovery holistic. It's like having Batman and Wonder Woman on your health team, unstoppable. Why traditional medicine is here to stay? Let's be clear. Traditional medicine is not going anywhere. It's the backbone of modern healthcare, the cornerstone of saving lives. Holistic health isn't here to replace it. It's here to complement it, making your journey to wellness as complete as possible. What do you think? Are you team traditional, team holistic, or team let's work together? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little clarity on their health journey. Because when it comes to your well-being, it's not about choosing sides. It's about choosing what works.